So you remember last week's video, we undertook clearing all this area out, and we are continuing to do this today. My plan is to try to fill these huge containers up with, these are going to be my planters, and they are horse watering containers, and we made holes here at the bottom so that the water could drain easily. And as you can see, they're huge, humongous. So it is very expensive to fill them up with good soil. So what we are going to do is we are going to, at the very bottom, we're going to place some of that all wood in there, place them at the bottom, and then that all plant of lemongrass. My lemongrass died. I let it die. We are going to chop it up, just not the roots, but the leaves, the dry leaves. And we are going to use it as refills on top of the dry wood. And then we are going to come back and put some of most economical topsoil. And then on top of that, we are going to use the good stuff. So I cannot wait to see this in progress. It's going to look awesome. I'm going to try to save my yuca. I want yuca with cheese. If you haven't tried yuca, fried yuca, oh my God. If you haven't tried fried yuca or even boiled yuca with fried cheese, fried white cheese, you don't know what you're missing. I grew up on that, and it's awesome. And avocado on the side. So that will be one of my future video, okay? Yuca with fried cheese and avocado, oh my goodness. So this is a avocado plant. We're going to try to save it. We are going to get rid of this, I guess. We are going to, going back to my yuca, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to clear this up a little, because you can see there's an aloe tree there that I might be in need of right now with this cold that I have. My lemongrass, I need to save it. I love my lemongrass. Again, I need to clean it up a little. And right here, we are going to continue doing the same thing we are going to do on that side with the same size horse watering container. The same thing applies to this. Now, these are smaller one. They are also water containers for goats. You see how small, lower they are? And the same thing here. We're going to clean this up. We're going to fill it up with, as I say, most economical stuff at the bottom, and then the good soil up on top. As you can see, there's a lot going on over here. We need to clean a lot on this side, on both sides of the house. So those are for future videos. We don't know what. I have an idea. Somebody else have another idea. Somebody else have another idea. So we have to come together and decide what we're going to do and compromise. Our focus right now is this area right here. This is going to be our garden. As you can see, we placed commercial grade landscape fabric. We have not decided yet what we are going to put on top of it. This is what we decided to plant. Peppers, 4 different kind of peppers. The red peppers, yellow wonder sweet pepper, beets, 2 different types of beets, carrots or carrot, and onion.